Hello guys. Oh, make I reduce background noise. Yeah. Hello everybody. How na day? Who still dey sleep and who don't wake up? Who still dey sleep and who don't wake up? Now, good morning, my amazing people. Please join this video. How na day, guys. Wanna join this video? Help me to give this video a thumbs up. Share to your loved ones. All right, guys. Yesterday, Monica do video. I supposed to come out yesterday night. I know say me, I know they waste time for that kind of thing. So Monica finally stooped so low to talk to me. Thanks for joining, Martins. Thanks for joining. Good morning. She stooped so low to talk to me. All right. She replied me. And my people, I just pray. Make all of us they pray. Make my network stand. Okay. I tell una say na that I they use. I go even go wind office just now say I don't bring their paper come out. You see? You see? My flash and small. Yeah. You see I'll go their office just now. May I go ask them what they happen. Maybe say they don't bring this equal, I don't pay. Still, I don't feel get network. So maybe as light off for France or Spain that day. Maybe na network off for this our side. So I'll go there. I just hope this data let me use. Once I finish this video, I will just go there. I don't already bath. How na dey, my amazing people, na good morning. So yesterday, Monica shamelessly replied me. All right? Monica shamelessly replied me yesterday. My people, when she did reply me, she not even see better thing talk according to her video, which I will be playing to you guys more than listening to the reply where Echo Betty, the woman with the Dido, with the story of Dido, and the Muria one of social media. Yes, because she feel say she get one thing where she go talk, or she get wetin she go fit do me, especially me. You understand? And she also, I know the way she take dey threaten people now. She also put out some threats to me, boss lady, the mother that mother Mama Monica. She also put out some threats. You know, so now know say if she just opened her big eyes, so she go feel say, oh, with these big eyes, I will just see her. Then I will just shock. I will come dey shake. I will come say, oh, Monica open big eye for me. Monica don't know say, even me queen, I not be her mate. Yes, she dey fail to understand say, even me queen, I not be Monica mate. Even about her. Monica, you don't dey jam a lot of people for saga. You don't dey follow people, they do saga. You don't dey drag Edo people. When you come to my own territory, trust me, a shame and disgrace waya lawa. You see all these things where you they do with people, so when we say some will just busy boy, some will just say, make I they look and thanks for joining my lady Osaratin, thanks for joining. Make I just they look and some go say, make I just forget. Some go say, I don't want to give her attention. When you bring that your new Zansi to my territory, I will treat your fuck up big time. Now shame and disgrace you take come out here. I they tell you. Now shame and disgrace you go take come out here because you not get right to come they say, see who supposed to talk for your issue, see who not supposed to talk on your issue. Are you crazy? You the mad the girl you the fit for this Edo cyberspace. I bring you the craze. The time when you come here, anybody draw line for you, say, Monica, this is where you will cross. You ogun boa book bell. Because even yesterday when I even advise you, I know insult you. I know insult you. You understand? Even yesterday when I talk to you, did you see me insult you? The answer is no. So why you go bring your yeye self? Come they talk, say, this one. And you even mentioned my name. So I don't even big reach that stage where they say, Monica will just sit down and go say what to do. Okay, they say queen. I know, right from when you start this your yeye video, I know say na me you want to. Because the beating of your life when I give you yesterday, the truth, not even beating. I advise you. I advise you as a colleague. Because I don't know what you they feel like. To me, I see you as my colleague. Not be me say you are those cyberspace. If you know, say you don't hold, you need respect. You'll get out here. Make with the sea road. You understand? Go see Pella for TikTok. He talk to people anyhow he like and anyhow he want to talk to people. And if they let them know, say, if you don't want me to talk to you the way I want, get down from my live stream. So, Monica, I'm saying this to you right now, and I'm saying it to your face. If you know, say, I never big rich, or me and you know, then you get out of Edo cyberspace. Because the last time I checked, I am a blogger. You are a local Ashawo businesswoman, according to your page. You understand me? So you have no right to come and say, oh, she's supposed to talk, or she's not supposed to talk to me. Who do you think I am one of those people you deceive and trick and bring close to you? At the end, you start to use them to feed. If they say no, they not do again, you start to saga them. Now, guys, let's go straight. I don't want to waste your time. May we go straight to our video. Okay? We'll go straight then before we go Asaboro, because yesterday, a party do video. Yesterday night, party do video. Inside that video, Asaboro called inside. And it said, she also said a lot of things, you know. She mentioned a lot of people, e.g. Sonny. Alright, she called a person Sonny. Said the picture where party become and say, Nena Sonny. And all those things, say make it beat and where, which I will be playing to you guys. Okay? Which I will be playing to you guys. But before we go there, make we listen to Monica first. Or we should start with Asaboro. Which one will go first even play first, guys? Should we start with Asaboro or Monica? Can somebody just drop that comment here? Should we start with Asaboro video or Monica? Which one? My people, why you bed there? Me, I don't wake up since, so I don't bath. Because I just want to do this video. I have a lot of video to do today. No time to waste. You don't finish. Go better. See you like. Yes, ma'am. You know, come on from the social media. Oh, not my her. Okay, let me start from my video. She not even fear. She say she claims, say she the advice. I don't know she the advice. You where you come sit down for a cyber space, you don't know say me and you don't be age mates. I get platform, you get platform. Fine, you first me enter, but you don't get shame. Always doing competition with small children where you come meet. Okay, somebody say start with Asaboro. Okay, guys, this video that I want to play now without wasting much of your time. This video was done by our sister Asaboro, okay? This video was done by Asaboro, and she talked to Epatiti when Epatiti the saga Infinity, Dr. Infinity saga for Monica yesterday. So Asaboro called in. So me wanna listen to wetin Asaboro talk to Epatiti. Now, for those of you who don't understand this audio, I will still play it again so that you might go listen. For this place, our sister Asaboro, they talk to Epatiti did live video with one man picture. I don't know the man. They say I be the Dr. Infinity saga. Yes, they say that the man be the Dr. Infinity saga. So Epatiti did live video, they talk to the man. You get. Then Asaboro call in to tell a party. Owe no kaka bowa mwe bogbe. Owe soni o enien. Soni owo enien. Soni sonde. Soni mason. I send you to school. We iseva ejara safara. Ewe viore. So Asaboro say make a party till they sue for a where. But say let me put her from the beginning. Ekuna listen. You dey hear? He say according to Asaboro or wewa mugbe Father General. You understand? So I want you guys to understand this part because we are going further. Okay? He say I want you or you know wa mugbe Father General. Let me take it back again. This one are the only person now where Asaboro they call on Edo cyberspace. I guess it's only a party. I know say they be party. They be close friends. So Mona Lisa, I don't know whether they hear where I be make I on my speaker. Are you hearing me? Okay. But I say I go on my speaker to make it more easy and louder.
Bluetooth mode.
Make I on my speaker. Okay, guys, so that it go day more easier. Go day more easier. Thanks for joining, Ola Coco. Thanks for joining my person. All right. Mona Lisa.
Okay.
Okay, according to what I understand for this Asaboro issue, for this talk, it's like the Father General with Infinity, they be paddy, if possible, maybe they be brothers. Yes, according to Asaboro, it be like say the Infinity and Father, my they call her Father fa Abina. Abi a David, because that one they say woman not there with her first. Abi a David, Father David. Father David. I go write and write so that I no go forget. According to Asaboro video, Asaboro say Father David and the Infinity Saga, he said they be close party, they be close ally. Two of them are GPC inner concourse. You understand? So Asaboro say we are ramwe bogbe Father David. Infinity go de enter Infinity head wuto. In as much say Asaboro still no talk much about this issue, but I hear say they say she's coming out on Saturday to come and clarify this issue properly, and I hope she do that. You understand? I hope she do that because the one where all of us did now for the betterment of her. You understand? Now for the betterment of her, because she not deserve all these things where they go on. Yes, she not deserve her. You get. And we also know say Asaboro no be person where they do saga. Though she's a presenter, she's not a problem type. You understand? So she not deserve all these things where they go on because of Monica no vie dokbolo. Iga atuare kia. Now they get me. She not deserve her. So we all as our friends or colleagues, anyone where she address us, anyhow she take us, we are okay. You understand? We not feel just sit down. Say and I go for that. Like some people they talk, they say Asaboro fed the Monica camp, which I don't know if it's true. I don't know whether she fed the or she not there. Some people say na good for her. She deserve him. She fed the Monica camp. She fed do this one. She fed do that one. Me, Yeah. Yes, Nanain, yeah. Una they get me. So me, I no fit just sit down, look that kind thing, because today it can be Asaboro, tomorrow it can be another person, and all this toxic relationship where they flow up and down in those cyberspace, it don't they happen, not be today, not be yesterday, not be day before yesterday. This thing have been existing, but we all need to speak out, because today I put to Asaboro, tomorrow it will be another person. You understand? I know say as I dey talk, and people fit to say, hey, queen dey fear, if he put to queen. No, this kind of thing not fear put to me. Seriously. Evil people, they know people where they go, they meet. You can't do this in my territory. It's not possible. It's not possible. I not to say no fear happen. No. If it happen, but the result you will get, it go be the worstest mistake of your life. Where be say till you will go by, you can never get over it. I don't get that kind of patience. I'm not that patient. That is why I hardly offend people. Una they get me so. So let's listen to Asaboro again. Wanna listen.
If you want to wait, if you don't want to go, you don't want to go. Okay.
If you listen to this Asaboro talk, or we are mugbe Infinity Saga, or we a Father General or a file. So why did she say so? Why she talk like that? You understand? Also now they listen. Asaboro say, wara mugbe Father General Infinity or a file. Why did she say so? That one at one point. To tell us, say, we dey on the right track. Even any fake account, any fake blogger, any fake this one, want to turn our brain, me especially, my brain is so toxic for somebody to turn. Where it turn ereri merunda, ereri mena. I not to say na me stubborn passo. I not to say the kind stubborn when I stubborn na to dey fight for street. I not to say the kind stubborn when I stubborn na to go dey drink, dey bust bottle for club. I not to say the kind stubborn when I stubborn na to dey follow different men. But the kind of stubborn when me stubborn is intelligent stubborn. Yes, when it comes to brain, you not fit on my brain. You not fit waiting. You not fit on my brain. Una they get me so. I also not try to understand what he says. She no want make somebody insult her infinity. No, it not be say she no want to make somebody insult her infinity. Asaboro know what she they do. She not just want put the name for math to avoid suing. But all those things now just children threats where they give all this Mababa threats, all this Ibieka threats, all this were like as the one where Monica do. I'm coming to play Monica video. Now I know why people always they love to analyze Monica, because according to video when me do already see where she do for moi yesterday. More listen for that.
Your man,
Don't press me and you go muria. Why go no so azuo. Only marigone. Only marigone we corner. Oh. Any rigone. So any beardo na vitasi ni hina. Yeah, my people. Beardo wama. I have brothers. Oviedo pataki a cousin. I have a dobro, but there is make be my very and work be agua. None of my brother have ever threatened a woman with their nakedness or who do me or do no, you know they. I was settled down coquillan say. A team we not say when it comes to domestic work, I live in a lena those things. Or team no do not see me make bad for me and live here. That my senior brother will senior me 2 times. Now he teach me how to cook. Because all the leaves you're the way I know when you are leria. Ube mo pani he wagbo. Now he teach me how to cook, not even my mom, because if my mom even they cook, maybe the time we should they cook with this school. That my brother was no way get. Yeah, that time still young. So make another boss na ni go him to move ya na shenso sheshe get. Make be no resilient na.
Okay, Sonny.
Now listen to where Asaboro identify the one where they call Father Dave inside. Listen to where Asaboro identify him, call him name, his wife name, things we need to know about him. Mona listen. Which is the Father Generekia.
One. Okay, Sonny. Okay, what's it?
A party don't already know everything.
All the same, because
not the year. Okay. Now Father General they talk so.
So we are going to be personally no botere wa. We are going to be with GPC. No botere wa we happy.
Okay.
Ya pio kwate afi mo kia.
Okay.
Wa besoni wa be.
Okay.
Personally mo tuana saboro. Iye hu wele petu mutsa wa hino ba kweno. Wa be.
You hear? Because me, I dey listen to people. You hear? This is Asaboro instructing Party to saga Father Generekia. Yeah? Thanks for joining my Lady Mary. Thanks for joining my Lady Margaret. Please, Mona, me share the video. I know say some people don't know say I did like because I don't usually do my live early morning like this. You know, they don't know say I will come live this morning. Mona, me share the video. I'm Mona love and like so that Facebook will release this video. May it go far. If you listen well to Asaboro, they always they praise the Father. Okay, yes, now they be inya kulobo inya we na. Now, if you listen to Asaboro well, he say a sonny or a nie or when yaka abo my wa or when I knew it and when I ben a volley decade no rag me feel qua or when ye go where we or we bet we GPC no Jenny or waiting ha go la diam we wa. Now they get me. He said, yesterday, I just laughed when Monica said that she will sue Asaboro. She that is the... Yes, this is how she blackmail. That is why I told her yesterday that she's blackmailing Asaboro. And you go hear where she talked for my video. For a nonsensical buhe video where she do yesterday. Where she they talk, say me talk, say she they blackmail Asaboro. Now they get me, we'll get there. I'm a konya kosi. I medele Monica no. It is na me and they zwo that zwo where they zwo. You know, say you don't hold, you need respect. Come on, get out to the cyber space. I call you here. Now here you want for call do senior and small picking. Who will go? Your children never say one day come out for your platform, they insult presenters.
Okay, Sonny.
Okay,
what's it?
because GPC ni area station no wo kan wo wa. big shot utaneo esonina bogware ko omake wa actually na ashu esonina bogware ko yapi mai
Guys, share the video, okay?
no mai but esonina bogware ko ele me go e wara wo ha ri grand o ha ri island yo pare jome sena ile pasoni yo pare island no ga we show me so wa gune be pasoni no bo tere wa gune be ni we tikisiri no bo tere wa we aki ya be kwa ja fi mo kia wa be soni wa be pasoni mo wa la saboro iye hu wele pe tun tsa wa hi o ga ko no wa be ipiani na ni pian everybody already went to confirm in Ohio. But the only person in here confirm more infinity is that one. Because
Okay, Sonny. Okay.
So my people, now listen to this Asaboro video. Okay? Now listen to this Asaboro video. So when she see they talk, according to what I understand, she still they talk say she no go there is this Sonny now be Father General, and there is also a members of all those Bewa squad, and they together. Yeah, this one also know the Father General say if they beat this one, Father Nene, if they beat this one, Dr. Saga, you know, go see sleep. He said, this Asaboro, I not just understand. Are you not fighting for your boyfriend or your sister, boyfriend? Yeah, and also, when I listened to this audio yesterday, yeah, when I listened to this audio yesterday, I just feel like I hear when Asaboro, if really say this man, where party they talk to so, if really say na Asaboro's sister husband, na the man be, and Asaboro call out the man, come explain, talk the man name and everything, and Asaboro no gree talk will be Infinity Saga or Infinity Saga picture, she no gree bring, then I'm disappointed in her because I will know you're the hand. Then I am disappointed in her. Because if you feel see dirty where dey your sister eye, you want to remove her. The one where the whole social media now they see for your eye, where they want to remove and you are not ready to even like open your eye, make they remove the dirty. You understand? If you feel say you dey fight for your sister husband, Asaboro, my sister, listen to me. This one, I'm not trying to be disrespectful. I'm not trying, but let me tell you something. Elafina, I agree. You get. Now you bring issue come at those cyberspace. Yeah, fine. As a presenter, now waiting we see for street with the talk put. And not be say, if to say we really want to talk on this matter, the way to say another person, it happened to, they say, where we go even talk, where we say, the person will get the issue self go like, we will talk and the way we like. And because of say, you na person where we say, everybody just, not con they do something like the way people, they describe you put, it don't really make sense. You understand? Not con they do something with the way people describe you put, because somebody felt talk say if person even say they want to defend you, say na so you be, you use matter type person, say you get two heads. I don't know how to take up those things, which I will not want to say it here. But let me tell you something. If you can call on a party platform boldly to say you dey fight for your own sister, so what about you? Are you not ready to fight for yourself? But not be your sister matter we carry on Facebook. Now your matter we carry on Facebook. Now your issue with the talk. Now you bring matter on Facebook. And now with the talk say, we not fit sit down look Monica. Make she use you sweep ground. Guys, I'm coming. Yeah, no say I did. Already speaker.
No, my sister, good morning.
Good morning.
You got already speaker B?
Already speaker, yeah.
Iwa the chicken we na wa me na we exactly a point in you no hit is say ba we 1 million u be odina oge na no analyze na u be a party na no that play now where even if that is she already expose anything but she will never expose Infinity Saga despite everything that is going on why binane why binane why te bone wasi aegi paru we because the thing is so annoying. Yeah. That's about I'm really not pleased with you. The way you are defending, if you want to continue defending Infinity Saga, then there is no need for you to bring it out in public. Yeah. Since you are not ready to let anybody fight the fight with I don't know how to say it.
Yeah.
Like,
no, if she's not even ready to give Edo people justice, because
keep aside it. So then when I'm going to not sure, that makes sense.
Yeah,
you are ready to expose for the general and the rest, but Uma onu I said infinity. When the people already like the confirm there, then you are sorry to say, oh, you are part of the problem because I'm already no open up, you might again or everywhere.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Just or maybe okay, because you have screenshot to a work people or whatever, and I came you way. Like when you
no, you must screenshot to way. You must screenshot to way. Go on, you know, keep it secret. Since you mom we secret laja, matter. Then no need no. I have been a just la what no way we now I we gonna na zero. Because some other they make sense. You know what? Even though you expose I can never do that. I can. Then why be about this? You are not ready to fight. Then just enter house. Then let everybody be. Let the peace reign. Yeah.
I'm not making sense now. When you know I am Boma, when no I hoko, who hoko then when I be abina. Then like been about. Why mu ye kobona boyama gwalo? I'm not making sense now. When they get check on.
Somebody say Moscow say very soon Monica go call the saga. Yeah, Monica agwa bere Monica Monica wag boni. The Monica saga memeje. Forget that one Monica wag boni. I believe that one.
Monica saga here.
Wag boni.
My sister, what you talk that one? 2016. Since 2016, I can follow a social media now right from Erenieve Lolo. Yeah, where whatever friendship in here. Even when they no boya la dia mana tutaya ga ana mutia egeni ya Italy for vacation no na do pretend we are twins because a touch over bola vio bone ona lay for how many months ona mwe kole the novel la dia we beer ba kana ya we celebration na gbe pada okay do la dia we prefu no just to distract people na make na itemo bo a strategy right for time. Anytime I hear more, anytime I hear more, also when I can never expect, because it was very notana, or say the Monica now with a pumping now. The Monica just coin, or you don't get okay on, I will a liver no ya expose anything, or say the Monica I will be no ya one. That's about my Regina Gbina, no Regina Gbina, and then the all information like that, the Yakmina Muzane. But for now, she's still. Oh yeah, I never told one. But yeah,
Maggie will say yo. Na so my whole life. I don't get that time. Maggie will say yo. I dey busy with Monica. My Monica may say anytime. Only like you know you that's not my issue anymore. May say yo. So I know my lady. Let's continue. They are continuing. So my amazing people, as soon as see me, so me. I know they had to understand. Yes. I know they had to understand. I welcome people where want me, I welcome them. And I carry my back, give people where need my back. Now, where are the verse for Asaboro for? Now, just one simple thing, because that is why I even bring this video come to say my mind. Now they get me. Now, if you see Asaboro come into a party TV video, She claims say make the saga father general, make them beat and well. Now his sister husband, he leave his sister, he need to go back to his sister and this. If Asaboro can come out boldly to talk about our own sister issue, where we say no be that issue, we will do online. Yeah? Why Asaboro no fit come out and talk about our own? I not like that kind of people. I know they like person like that. Now, small they make me call person two-face. I don't like that kind of personality. Now, you get issue, not be your sister. Even if say maybe the so-called Sonny get issue with your sister, two of them get issue. The same way you with Infinity Father General get issue. You now they cover your own, they bring out your sister own. My sister, Oma make sense. Oma make sense. You understand me? If you fail, just know. Say that now I see why a lot of people just don't want to talk on this your issue. If you look a lot of platform and right up there, just the right say, they don't want just put body for this issue. You understand? Because I wish Monica really drag you, and really she's coming to still drag you. Even if you deactivate your account, even if you off your Facebook, even if she's coming to drag you. I've said it before, I've said it times without number, and God knows say we did our best to support you. So if the thing they born tomorrow, you know, go let you come they talk now say, and the time where your matter happen, nobody even support you, nobody talk put, nobody do this. You understand? You they get me, so my sister, this thing where you do so, you know, really, like, I don't know what I want to talk. The thing just they voolo my belly. But I don't get any power to blame or insult you or can't they tell you what you want to know. You'll be adults. You know what you are doing. But I just hope you do well. You understand that if I'm out say SSC, something is there where person go on to dig bear. If not the last. Me, I not be the problem of this matter. You understand? I not be the issue of this matter, not be the problem of this matter. A lot of presenter will talk, put not be the issue, not be the problem. You understand? Normally, as a presenter, now what we see on Facebook with the talk. Anything we see on Facebook, now what we create our page for be that. For people where go come say, this and no, now what we see on Facebook, now we go the talk. But we see as okay, as a borrow our person, because the way you were doing the video, the way you they shout, we feel say, oh, people they oppress you, people they press your neck, people won't beat you, that they, you know, that they blackmail you, all those things. That was why we come out and speak up for you. But if you can just come and be saying all these things, my sister, I know your matter. After this particular video, except say maybe you later come up with 20 person 1 year. If you decide not to bring out Infinity Saga, where do they insult your Edo people, insult your Edo sisters, your Edo brothers, even the so-called people where they fight for you now. These are the people where Infinity don't saga, don't bully, don't drag their children, their husband, their family member on this Edo cyberspace. So if you can be okay with those things and still decide to keep the man, you don't deserve our fight. Mona sort on things out the way na. You don't deserve our support, you don't deserve our fight, you don't deserve even our presence, if you don't deserve them. You understand? If you, let's assume, say, let me put myself in your shoes. Yeah? Imagine as I did so, I get platform where they go, they fight people, they bully people, children, they bully people, husband, where they say, me and the person they date. You understand? Me and the person they date. And last, before I not going to say this person a big time bully, they bully people, they drag people up and down. I don't know. He can't even still go there, Monica camp. And last, I can't find out. Do you think I go come out, open my mouth shamelessly to come, they say, I not go expose her. I beg. I don't want you to talk. May not be like say I just talk some things so I'm not even supposed to talk. I don't want just to, you understand. But as I borrow this one where you just talk, so you just dice, you spoil my mood. Meaning you are happy the way that guy they bully Edo people ever since. And you are still protecting and being like, you still they cover am. Even the man, the so-called man, they insult you. They talk, say, you know, go better for Infinity way knock you. You know, go better for Infinity Timu way knock you everything. The man, they deny you publicly. Call into Monica platform to bring you down. See, say all the time when you take do babe self, you don't get sense. Or you don't know what they do. And you say they come outside, they laugh, they say this. I just hope he marry you, because if he don't marry you, now those kind of things, I mean, know they like. I just hope say he marry you. Yeah, because me, I don't know where they see love. This one, I love very thick, powerful love in my hand. It's not for people like us. Yeah. More listen again to her. More just listen, my people.
One. Okay, Sonny. Okay, what's it?
But why all these people just say island? Somebody say Asaboro don't they change the man to assist her boyfriend. Even if, because truth is bitter, we are just suffering. If not because of say, we just, normally she's supposed to go straight and talk with you we won't hear. Not be even beat around the bush. You cannot talk to a presenter, they beat around the bush and you want us to support you. According to her, now she like the way party they support her. They saga the father general, they saga, you understand? If she really don't need that support, why will she call in? Why will she call in? Why will she be giving info about the father, whatever, the Highland man? Why? Because she needs support. She needs people to support her. But how can we support you with all this your upside down information, turning people upside down? If you get very major, they do something for respect. If you respect people a lot, you cannot do this. You will not do this. Yes. If you respect people a lot, you will not do this. Do you want to bring down people platform because of your issue? Where you come and say, person they talk here, person they talk here. People where they say people just believe right from time, say, yeah, these are the truth sayer, these are the freedom fighter, these are the people that, you know, then because of your case, because they just want to seek justice for you, then you want to drive them around out of, like I said, they be this. I bet carry your case, go front, carry and go front. Carry and go front. This is the last video I'll be doing for you, okay? I get him. This one are the last video I'll do for you. Then if Monica do video for me again, I will come beat that one. I will still go and play a video. After this your own, I will still go and play Monica video. Yes, because that one be like say she don't decrease. So I will go and play a video. Oh, here I told them, now maybe queen. They never born any presenter way for this social media. What I want fear. I only give you respect. If I not the respect, you know, say you know your hand not clean. You be winch or something, they worry you. Go wash your head with tortoise. You understand? So that's the kind of person I am. And if I never even fear better people. The class of say Monica. Monica can only defeat you when you are close to her. Yes. Now, only when you don't call Monica phone, you don't follow and play before, now she'll fit defeat you or lie, because she go lie for your head. Monica don't know me, she don't know anything about me, she don't know, me and I not dead the same category. She did a day, my day. So wait till she want to fight me. Wait till she want to do me, she won't call lie for my head. She will call lie for my head. Me, I not the lie for person head first though. If you put one life for my head, I go make sure say I use life finish your life. Where be say even you go there, you sit down open mouth for ground say queen here. You hear yourself. Anything you want to come, I go use and finish you. But I will not be the first to lie on you. Never, don't do it. Because I will look and say you know even what. You not rich when I go lie on. I will finish you with your truth. Where be say the whole world they see. Now they get me so. So let me play this Asaboro one more time. Then let's go straight to Monica your video. Asaboro, why do you want to discipline another woman's husband. When you're on, where you're supposed to the discipline, they one place, you know what discipline. You know when even discipline and all of us and say, okay, yes, you are doing the right thing. Why you can't because me now your matter is so confusing and I been able to read Infinity Saga, but you know just want put out for math talk say nani. You understand? I know they this the way they do so I know they like them at all. I know really they like it. Then the next thing you go deactivate your account. Why will you deactivate your account? You deactivated your account. I see one fake account yesterday, new Asaboro. He comments on my platform. I delete him. I delete the comment because if now read you, now I get that account of that fake account of new Asaboro. Why will you? Somebody say, Queen, you are not talking. No, be saying I'm not talking. The thing you invest me. Why will you deactivate your mail account? Why will you deactivate your mail account? And you can go create fake account with your page name. Only make sense here. Like you deactivated your, even if you don't want to operate it, you can just leave it there. Why will you deactivate your real account, your mail account? Then you can go create fake account. Essentially, you get that fake account where they write new Asaboro. If now you get that fake account, why will you deactivate your main page? And you can go create fake account with your page name. Tell the worker for Facebook. Why will you do that? I see that, and anytime I continue to see that comment on my platform, I will delete it. With that fake account, even if it's real you or not you, I will be deleting that account. If possible, I will block it. When next I see that account on my platform, I'm going to block it. Because what is that? Your name or your name. Now you be new Asaboro. So why will you not deactivate your main page and start using fake account with that same name? Like, I don't know whether or not they get with you at the top. That one makes sense. See how Asaboro they call the woman name Happy. We don't know now say that one wife not happy. We don't know say they're not there. We don't already know now waiting they go on for that one. Ha say easy kunoni wave helele na bidi here or why maseto. But what about your own Asaboro? When we elephant in yang why you were guasele? When in yang why you were guasele? What about your own? Eh? What about your own? You see? They saw the personi, or let's assume say the personi according to her, not being the Infinity Saga. If you can come outside to insult the personi, talk everything where they happen for that one house under 2 minutes, why can't you even use 1 minute of your own time now to say your own where you can't give us or those about say you be Infinity Saga and you feel say people get interest for your relationship as say we never see boyfriend and girlfriend before. We don't see boyfriend and girlfriend before. We don't see husband and wife before. The reason why we get interest for this your Infinity Saga is that is a toxic bully. This man have been bullying a lot of Edo people. He says she's changed. Even if she didn't change, me I don't lose appetite for this issue. I don't lose appetite. We don't really be baby where she go to change matter or everything like they toy people around. No. People will bring information, bring information, come. You not come out to come the turn and say this one is like this. No. And I don't be past all those ones. I don't get time for all those. You understand? I don't be past all those ones now. No. I know they do my things like that. Oh, you know me for this. Those about you know I be straightforward person. So I don't feel allow somebody come they turn my brother. I don't get it. I be at the fair waiting and analyze. If I want to analyze the issue, I can see how they follow up with the matter. I'll just analyze that the way I like. But I will not be in support of Asaboro anymore. Yes, I no go support her for this whole issue. I no go support her again for this matter. I'll just take the matter. Any video they drop, anything, I go analyze them because why? I be presenter, I get access to all issue. I get access to all topic. When my whole happen, all of them sit talking. All of them talking. So I have right to all their issues. Nobody go tell me, say, you have to talk. No. If you don't want people to talk on issues, get inside them. Now they get me so. But with the way she's doing it, I can just be vibing to this whole issue without supporting her. Yes, I don't like person like this. If really say this a person need not be in Infinity Saga, Asaboro just snitch on her sister. He said, Queen of the Infinity Saga be this. You know, said it yesterday when Asaboro say almost where the platform post picture. She quickly run to party platform to the confess. Now this Sonny be Infinity Saga. Say Asaboro, if it was this kind of energy you used to talk the first day, the first day, nobody would have even mind you. You left what they ask you. You are coming to talk about your so-called sister. And beg enter. You understand? I know it's her. Now the Infinity Saga tell Asaboro to disconnect her FB. You understand? Do not they get me so? The thing just they like, which be like baby matter. So I don't really see, and I say no issue here. Yeah, no issue here. So Asaboro should carry across because I don't be past where they call. Not only me, not only me. Imagine all the bloggers who don't blog this thing yesterday support you. It's not even yesterday since where this whole issue starts. Imagine all the bloggers who don't they support you, where don't they pray for you. I know how many calls I don't receive because of this matter. Yesterday 1 o'clock, I still did on call from Ireland. That same island, I was on call with somebody. The woman, they watched me. She told me things. Now, no say me, person call me, I don't get time to come, they bring my caller, come out for line. Now they get. Then Asaboro, you come see, come and they talk this one, where me they play so. If really said this man not be Infinity Saga, say na your sister, husband, personi, according to you, where you they call and say personi, then you be two-faced person. Because why will you snitch on your sister? Yes, let's tell ourselves the truth. If really say na the personi not be Infinity Saga, you for just to say the money can but you don't like the man either. Party T, thanks for joining. Thanks for joining. Party T. I know Asaboro dey your platform. Say now only Asaboro go feel confused. That's why she went to a Party T. No, because if he tell us say now this one be the Infinity Saga, we'll know what we are doing. You understand? So my sister, your issue, your matter, your video. Nobody, I will not even, I feel you're the vibe to it, but my contribution, I will not add it or my support, I will not give it to you again. I will not give that to you. And anybody, anything where they follow me will not give you their support. Yes. Anybody where they follow me will not give you their support. Because we don't big pass, don't be silly, we don't big pass this Ekema Baba matter we want to do for social media. You understand? If you bring issue out, you want people to support you, you go straight, you open up. I like people where they vibe. Open up, give me. Even if you wrong, people will tell you, Asaboro, this thing, you not doing well. You not go buy you go only learn from it. If you right, people go still put you for back. Why they will do Asaboro like this? Asaboro, and really, this was the energy we all gave to you. We thought you were right. That was why we say, this thing don't make sense. They don't fit do Asaboro like this. But with the way you are doing it now, you want to toy with people platform. My sister, that time we take build the platform, and we don't want your issue to come and turn our platform to be like something like say a platform in Iyama in Iyama. No. No. I will not take that, okay?
Iye who were the pet who would say what he over Queno, what bed,
Yes, sir.
Everybody already ready to confirm in Okalo. But the only person who can confirm more infinity is that one. Because
Okay, so
yeah, any general is sunny or any what is sunny. You hear say he go call, she go confirm all the picture. Say she go confirm all the picture, but she will not confirm Infinity Saga. Or we are wa via the picture nyaga confirm me. It be like say she don't forget, say now she get issue, not be will. So ni mawa ya azozo via picture, where do I confirm me? Then where one yashu, a man yashu. You funny, sha. My lady, already speak out.
Well, he's sorry, he said he comment because he's busy.
No problem.
I'll say that call.
Not
always the only person we have information like the Infinity or we don't understand. Okay, which means okay, the problem we're here with GPC since we were to expose Infinity. And when the GPC bina, when I buy the GPC,
thank you, my lady.
Information I had the GPC bina where we were.
The Maya to be Manzazare.
Yeah, so that when we win anima with your pianima, when Mala war and Maya Zozokia, one and then Nimagalovian wear or who were Robu.
My GPC, my lele bina.
Then because my name will not the GPC bina.
Me topic no boom. Me wa topic no boom. Ni maya teto.
Mama na name no ye platform o ya o. Since when information and we were available when you to be lele na GPC bina. And then Father General ni e power ya go kana. Father General in land and the first day when you ma do gbe yo. Eti where Monica le senior do ani e mulade
when ma do gun yen Monica no so da fin ya ni azo bo we GPC
when you ma say Monica say anu spirit no
ma yaru da la mata
formation spirit no ama o then na gbina yo to keka David na ya gbina e we tun na ya gbina we na gbina then another thing power ni ya to were na ni ya unu e David na e prophet na information ya fefe no give you a video ge asaboro e ti go for 20 hours unwe ke no kede oh wa beat round the bush because one of no one in one say we was the whole thing na no funa actually no type you Nelly Black we no get away code the bunky way you must send no picture of anybody you don't know I told you that's the best strategy because information a source of the information I'm acting okay. But I come with Ben, you ready. Auntie, I have information like that. When anybody your wife with when they page already deactivate or when you when not when a wife come or not been no information like that. Or man, why your Monica at a bond back. Bell, yo, Eddie, Asaboro, you were Masaboro for. Face on me on one.
Monica, oh, Fanny. Me de no ni boni me ya finish a video na. Ija. Me de no ni ba topic on you wa we here by any here. Where's my lady? So my amazing people. God will bless this caller where call so. And God will bless all of you now where they here. So my people, I don't want you people to feel where social media. These are the problem with some presenters. Eja so no boya gwa yoma devezo. Inya gwa yoma de. They will now want to make it look like we're not the rescue inya. War giveso. Now they see, that's what person they behave. Me can I snitch. And when me man like have snitch. I'm trying to still keep myself calm. Like me man me snitch. I agbe mo because if I don't pin something about person 300 years therefore Now, so my own person, it get the way me your today. Once I don't feel, even if the whole world, they say, I saw this person be, I saw this person they be. Me, I don't hold that thing, join your hand, say, hey, matter, hey, I get a tidy OJ. 300 years, therefore. I only okay, I feel. Or do ye ragbo. Who ye here, I only that's my kind of person. Now they get me so. So my sister, Asaboro, a matu wena niya, since the way you are doing it is like you are the father, whatever, what you call her son, you now still get to my own issue based on a marry your sister. In short, you now they war against GPC. You understand? You get war against GPC. And you know the people will be the GPC. And you get their picture of those GPC. You get their info, everything. The people will volunteer to say, we no go fit sit down, make them beat you. Because according to you, when you talk for your first video, your second video, we saw all the way you were shouting, all the pain, everything. We really feel say, they don't pitch you for where pain you. You get, and we all say, we don't go agree. May they do you wait till they do some people for this media, or may they make history repeat itself again and all those things. But if you they come out like this now, they say today, you even say make we go they bring picture. Say if we bring the picture, you go come they confirm who be who. Like that place, and like it is will be children. Like no, okay, let's assume say fine, me queen I be children, yeah. We still get some children. So you mean say all the big platform where don't fair talk on this issue. So may they go they find pictures they come. May they go they find pictures they come. Then you will call the confirmer. Even the one person where they find inside, you not go confirm that one. If you can keep Infinity Saga to yourself and refuse to bring out its identity, then Asaboro, you not even deserve our support or anything. If you have issue with GPC, go and solve it. So please, all my amazing people, nobody should, even if you now want blog, maybe say now waiting one reasonable thing. Maybe Asaboro later talk. If now the one where Monica tell they beat her, Mona just leave her Monica they beat her. Why you blog anything? Really? Why not give her any zero? Why not give her any support again for? Yes, why not give her any support again? She don't need our support. Not be wish you take to go marry Infinity Saga. Even if she even wants make we even rescue the Infinity Saga, give her or may we pursue and come out inside the GPC. There is a way you do it. And on the social media, we are bigger than this. So guys, let's leave us up. Let's go to Monica video. Yesterday, Monica do video for me where she did analyze. No, I don't know whether she analyzed. She was in pain because of video when I do yesterday. Monica mamiove. Monica or mamiove because of the video. Say if she come out from her rehabilitation or abina, okay, abandonation, make she face herself. Okay, we hands off. Yes, thank you, Mama Chelsea. Yes, thank you, my lady. So may we just do like say we have a lot of things to talk about. Even if the matter see the trend, we'll just the use and play ball around the street. We'll just the use and play. Say make we give and support. Say or make we do and say that because of say we know her, she's our person. No, we should not do that again. You understand? We will not do them again. I not like person where they disrespect person. I know they like all those kind of people. If you treat people the way you want, treat people the way you want them to treat you. Not be say you bring matter, come finish. You want what they do, say you be the boss. So we now may we go they find picture they come. Anyone will find call you go confirm at the person where would they find you. No one even confirm that one. No, my sister, carry your case, go anywhere you like. Now let's listen to Monica Oyatuari. Mona listen to her. She cry bitterly. Gunwe Monica, gunwe nu doewa. Mewe gbobo ye chesi ya gugwanwe. Ya guwe Monica. Imi agugwe gwezasun. Igwe we my 5 Joshua. That is igwe le adane ne. Ya se zeve ya. Loko we ya imweme we la. Unwe ni tama we na. Uwari azin unhewa. Ma Monica. Uwari azin unhewa. Abi oni. uzulo ko we na ya du ko ni mami baba don wa nu we gogun we no pa iya du we gu azo ya ko mo gun na ni pe va gun we logo no na no mama na ekwe mo we no ekwe mo jiwe no mo tion what logo we are him SF we give me presenter no we are fi obo paswa are you crazy ugwe meme abio me nusi uzuo we are buze no ma we are gbe nekwe mu ona listen to
we gbe ezi sagin we
isagin ha gbo
ata mo wa mi
isagin no mi agbo we
ugari abere to wa sa ebe na baka andu mi o le gbe
la re Monica ema ya niria buwe wa certificate gbo abegbiyan ema ya niria buwe de nu certificate gbo abegbiyan iyan gbo yan agbo e banu yan agbo ezansan una yoho a agbo me ni na igba we nwa ado ma yin nu we me a Monica de mi nu we asset it wa asset we o ma gbon we hin you are a fade hero past glory ewe hin you are not a past glory uzuo e ma gun we dogun a uga di abere uga ogun owo ni mo gun gbera u meme we men we kero vi me social media na we me de nu gbe o we me de we men ke ti e bo me social media na nowhere what e fancy we bloggers we yan ga ti u we tuhu ari oko ologi asagodana iye bi kukuba
unari abere a queen
wa dan yo
you must not join somebody in matter you don't know. What is my problem?
Una here or me Monica you say a queen Monica thank God you know that I am a queen ubere I am a queen erihimi nu we setting wo ho runda ofin we hin ofin unu aze unu anweni when it comes to my territory uwegbe o then no mama we do atalo unu do azuo udo agun azuo zo we ku we me wa be se unu dede me la Facebook Monica na na me video mo ise we mana mi owe ne kwemu dede ni me la Facebook e wi agboze fun enwe uma nu gba nu e han ge video mi uma nu gba nu e han ge video mi ah obola de coffee bu agade egbesun from the beginning
we gwezo iye gweza sun ezavan ezo gwezo ta iye gwezi sagin we
esage ni o han we Monica iye razon that me say listen to me and listen very attentively iye razon I know say you be bias you be winch na you be but let me tell you something greater is in me than that small winch with your boki ring where you dey wear. You dey hear me so? Greater is in me. You think say I be those people where you dey use, I don't know, where you just wallow I give they'll begin to shake his ass. Monica, don't let me go dirty with you because he got boy. He got boy. He go ho. I know na me you on not be joke. Forget about the views, say you they get views. Forget about the views. Me go use waiting you know when me know they beat you. You they crazy, shameless and shallow. You they mad. Now me you they mad. Now me you want the mad. You are crazy. You don't see and I say for you to even call my name, Kui, I not be your mate. When no ye basic bogo, I not be your mate. Monica, or do you normally respect in egbe? Ibieka gbeboyo. Are you mad or something? When you know the shame. If I do video yesterday and so what? The time when my own issue they trend on this Facebook, where you they analyze and they swear for your children head. Did you see me on my platform to come they analyze your video? All the video you have used to saga and bully me, even the time when they tell say, hey, Frank, girlfriend, you put my picture there, they talk rubbish. Did you see me come on my platform to analyze you? I do like say I don't see you because why? Your saga is the most foolish, the most foolish thing on Edo cyberspace. I look you, I throw away my face. You are mad. Then you see me, they talk about issue where there, those cyberspace, issue where there, the whole street. Then you no fear. You can't follow me, they talk, say, a queen, that your eye. Patiti say, make I call and send a session my number. Okay, Patiti. Make I say, which of my phone your number there? Oh, I think it's this one. You can't like, when I want to call that me, Monica, ira boy, then you feel when me rock on woman say, I'll let you know. Say, see, I go use you run around this media. Don't play. I go use you run around this media. I will use you run finish. I will see stand the by boy day. I'll say they do my things on a daily basis. Don't man where to take Bella why? Who is what? It is because you go wallow, I give people at the end they'll call your camp. You have been trying to steal me from Queen Rita. Thief. Tiffy fast. You have been trying to steal me from Queen Rita. Yes. Make I tell you to your face. I don't go close to Azang Bazeni. Person will be saying witchcraft don't show for your forehead. I know they go close to people like you. Release people husband, I'll tell you which bad thing I can't do. Release people husband, which bad thing I can't do. Sonina will be say, Sonina na person your husband, he dey under your roof. Official doctor name, he dey under your roof. Agwade ya kyan we roof we. Uya yi bi animo ko yawu. Nu gbe wa gbon Monica no ho Monica obolo. We are busy. You know, not use me play that your nonsense play. Oh. Guys, I'm coming. Party say make I call and let me see. He sent me message which day for you. Let me try. Let me see if I can see. Let me see if I quick get other than this one or my other phone. Make I quick call. Okay, I don't see him. Let me call him. Make I quick call him. Guys, please love and like. Let me share this video. Party typical. Okay. Hello, let's speak out. Let's speak out. Oh, yes, let's speak out. Okay, then, okay. Yeah, true. Okay, sir. Okay. So, my amazing people. So, my people. My lady say we are not getting involved again. Now, so I not see now. Yesterday, I called tell Monica, say, Monica, this your old daughter pass, be careful. Why if you say anytime women, children, even young girls, they find their husband, their boyfriend, they must find them on your territory. Why? About me do. So my advice why you give Monica? Monica na wa vivo balo, vo balo vesa gena wa la. Mozo ya no roy for head ya na biolo la de only one small video we meet your advice Monica. Mona listen to her for that.
Who got ya bene to one side na bata andu mi le gbe.
Monica we ga be ya bi me to we kan ansa adu mo so mi le gbe. U mo so mi ri gyo wa we nu mo so mi le gbe. You go dey play for your ass or you go dey show. U we na ya bi me. Almost to me, don't go play. Monica, I just they tell you so. No joke craze this your madness. Say na me queen. I go disgrace you for free every day. Now me they tell you. I go. You say good. I bet make I go they play your this they go the video they sweet me. What
who marry a baby? A queen.
And maybe the queen.
You must not join somebody in matter you don't know.
How many times have you joined people to saga me for issue where you don't know, Monica? I ask you. How many times you don't join people for this media to saga me for matter where you don't know as it happen, where you don't know wetin happen inside house, where you don't know the front and back, because say you feel say I be goddaughter to Queen Rita. You start to dey bully me for no reason. Nah, I just choose one video, advise your life. Since when you dey craze for how many months now, I dey always dey tell people say, your day go come. Your day go come. Really, yesterday was your day. I give you that breakfast. You don't even fear. You not pretend, say you don't see her. You cry, come outside, come they cry. You are a useless woman. You are stupid. Oh, wait, you cannot do this. The same way you did. He said, this school, you first mad. No, this one, they made me. They said, this old Boromoto. I go use you sweet ground. You never say anything. Nothing where you want to tell me where go pay me. Because you senior me. Yes. You senior me. Nothing where you want to feel like. Go saga my full family. Why is there what Benny? If I used to say they call me, I'll from your presence bring my 2 SIM card, come out for live video. I'll use scissors cutter. I go use scissors slice. I'll make sure say I beat you to my satisfaction. I disgrace it when if you're for. You are a useless old ashawo. Monica Showglass. Are you not ashamed of yourself? May like bend your head. Wanna listen to her, useless woman.
No. What is my problem? How can you say I am blackmailing somebody I've never talked to? How?
Now she say how me go talk, say she dey blackmail somebody where she never first talk to. I beg, no be una no hear where she even that same yesterday. Una no hear where she dey threaten to sue Asaboro if Asaboro talk to her. Una no hear. Una no hear when she dey threaten to sue Asaboro. She say if we first Asaboro British finish, Asaboro can they go cut, they go sue her. She go sue Asaboro. See person we want sue person, you will not get documents. You were hungry, pursue come up for Netherlands. You were case pursue for Netherlands. Now, Jonosage, ex-girlfriend, he does this sue you for this UK. How many petitions did this your head? How many petitions did for that UK where you did so? Now they say you want sue person, you will be criminal by nature. You don't know, say one court case is enough for criminal case. When they criminal by nature. You dey tell say, I talk and say, yes, you dey blackmail Asaboro, which is true, which you just said now. How you go talk say she talk to you? Presenter talk to presenter say you go sue her because you dey UK, they will never be. You get paper. People where you dey bully with this your match way long like a power line, where you take the lie for your platform. So you know say people go constantly talk to you. You want to talk to people and make them they look you. You dey craze for that your head. You look me like person where you feel manipulate. I've been waiting you want to. It is and I've never been close to you. So it's hard for you to lie on me. You defend my friendship. Every time you want me to be around you. Now so you dey force people to become your friend. I reject you morning and night and daytime. Somebody is calling me. My lady, your speaker only more here.
Moi speaker.
Okay, your speaker.
Boy.
Custom.
Body no.
Body did.
This get contributing. On not threatening Asaboro because Asaboro type like video game way. You're gonna yari lawyer Vivani or my or Digba. You understand? So and Asaboro mata Asaborota.
Yeah.
Asaboro me no yak you understand? So up there no threatening Asaboro. Na mabega ya block ya report page of it.
Are we on deactivated? Are we on deactivate account here for now? Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Because we are having this Saturday.
No battery.
Yes,
Please
just patient. Only my patient.
Because why I don't live every day. So because what any again last year. Social media go scatter. So in the fear, more because why when we get on Asaboro, because Asaboro me bashon out there. I never see her like this before. So you can take action with her. No, believe me, no yak be. So how you move now? On are you threatening on the way and sue? This time, anything. If I know it's doing the UK, but
I no pay every month of our pay.
Maybe no can way, my sister. Oh, wow, Moji. Una even no ya gbese cho to one or two people they want making her believe you way. They want making her mudia no because of now. Down on social media. Down.
Oh wow.
No that for although yeah.
Low battery.
I'm Bruce.
Please
Only
charge.
a day is only a day
It's even
is.
so, you know, live a useless life. You want that for when? Obo Katana. If Obo you be going this new one, and away here, pay you have the big drag the same thing. So Obo way here, you want or that for you, I look like a friend here again. So yeah, if you want that for also not bad that do go. That for way. Oh, I get the way video. So two of them, they live useless life.
You very useless.
So they're very useless people. Very useless people. Yeah, I want to look at a girlfriend or boo. Yeah, if
Very.
yeah, I wait to reason.
Seriously.
So now useless people that they be. Man, you believe on it, I may blame. That woman, you know, say if he make us Thomas on way and let scream with Diana.
So
if I'm married, why are you in the black? You make
Low battery. Please charge.
I go bring my other
that's
speaker. Yeah.
Also, I'm not going to
Yeah.
so Egbisan, Bayo, anybody knows to also. And when they bully, Mr. Midana, I be one.
For me. For me.
You money come. So,
The Bluetooth device is
I know my
ready to
lady.
pair.
Where's my lady? I'm coming, guys. Make I connect this big one. The small one, don't look. Monica, who was Zuo? Yaha, you wait too many. I'll ma here away. When it's a ma I'll mother day here away. And the day ya woman, no 10,000 every month. Are you getting me? Hey, ya me wo yan ni egbu ebanwa. Zuo we nakpa. They say you are jealous. You now so you go they force people to come to you, to be close to you. Everything you want to do it by force. You need people by force. You need friendship by force. Ya rock by kani honestly we can logo.